Welcome back to my channel Anita EduEat. In today's video we are solving the most important 1 and 2 marks questions from Arithmetic Progression for class 10 board exam 2026. Watch till the end to score full marks. Let's start. Question number 1. Find the 10th term of the AP. Sequence are 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. The given arithmetic progression has a first term a1 is equal to 3 and a common difference d is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. We need to find the 10th term. Apply nth term formula so that an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute n is equal to 10, a1 is equal to 3 and d is equal to 4. Therefore, a10 is equal to 3 plus 10 minus 1 into 4. 10 minus 1 becomes 9 into 4. Multiply and add. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 becomes 39. So that a10 is equal to 39. Question number 2. Which term of the AP 7, 10, 13, 16 is 40? Identify the given values from the AP. First term a1 is equal to 7. Common difference d is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. And last term an is equal to 40. Set up an equation. Use the formula for the nth term of an AP. An is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the known values into the formula and solve for n. We know an is equal to 40, a is equal to 7 and d is equal to 3. This implies 7 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 40. Move 7 to the other side. Therefore, n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 40 minus 7. This implies n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 33. Divide both sides by 3 so that n minus 1 is equal to 33 upon 3. This implies n minus 1 is equal to 11. Move 1 to the other side so that n is equal to 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Therefore, 40 is the 12th term. Question number 3. Find the AP whose first term is minus 3 and common difference is 4. We calculate the first few terms of the sequence by repeatedly adding the common difference to the previous term. First term n is equal to 1, a1 is equal to minus 3. Second term n is equal to 2, a2 is equal to a1 plus d. Substitute the value of first term and common difference which is minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 becomes 1, positive 1. Therefore, a2 is equal to 1. Third term n is equal to 3. a3 is equal to a2 plus d. Substitute the value of second term and common difference which is 1 plus 4. Therefore, a3 is equal to 5. Fourth term n is equal to 4. a4 is equal to a3 plus d. Substitute the value of third term and common difference which is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. a4 is equal to 9. Therefore, sequence are minus 3, 1, 5, 9 and so on. Question number 4. How many terms are there in the AP? 12, 9, 6, 3, so on. minus 21. Identify the given values. First term a1 is equal to 12. Common difference d is equal to 9 minus 12 is equal to minus 3. Last term an is equal to minus 21. Use nth term formula, which is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value into the formula. Minus 21 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Move 12 to the other side. Therefore, minus 21 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 21 and minus 12 becomes minus 33 is equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. Divide both side by minus 3. This implies minus 33 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3 into n minus 1. This implies 33 is divisible by 3 how many times? 11 times. Minus minus becomes positive. Therefore, 11 is equal to n minus 1. Isolate n. Move minus 1 to the another side. Therefore, n is equal to 11 plus 1 becomes 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12 terms. There are 12 terms in the sequence. Question number 5. Find the common difference of the AP if A5 is equal to 18 and A1 is equal to 2. Use nth term formula, which is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d, where a1 is equal to first term and d is equal to common difference. Substitute n is equal to 5, so that a5 is equal to a1 plus 5 minus 1 into d equal to a1 plus 4d. Substitute a5 is equal to 18 and first term is equal to 2. Therefore, 18 is equal to 2 plus 4d. Move 2 to the other side. Therefore, 18 minus 2 is equal to 4d. 18 minus 2 becomes 16 is equal to 4d. Divide both sides by 4, so that 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 upon 4 into d. 16 divisible by 4 how many times? 4 times. Therefore, d is equal to 4.